Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's Alyssa here today, and today I'm going to be showing you how to create this look in less than 15 minutes. So keep on watching. So I'm going to start with a little bit of primer. You want to use a primer that fits your skin. I'm going to use the Wet n Wild face primer. So just really gently press it in. For the brows, I'm going to be using the Ulta Beauty Brow Tint in the shade Light. Once I'm done with my brows, I'm going to use a foundation. I'm going to be using this Neutrogena Healthy Skin Foundation in the shade 10. After I'm done with my foundation, I'm going to be using concealer, and this one is from Maybelline.
2 a.m. low, gotta keep it down. Don't wait around for a signal now. Give me some verb, I ain't talking now. You wanna ride in the 6, you wanna dine in the 6. But when I lean for the kiss, you said I'll probably send you some pics. And I'm like, hell nah, been waiting too long. Hell nah.
When I'm done with that part, I'm going to be using my loose powder from L'Oreal. I'm just going to put a little bit.
I want that cruel love, body on my, losing all my innocence, yeah, body on my.
Once I'm done with that, I'm going to be working on my lashes, and I'm going to be using 2 mascaras. So next we're going to add some So I'm going to be working with this cheeky color today.
Just hit the pedal if things go wrong.
This is a really cool trick. I'm going to be using this highlighter on my eyelids as eyeshadow.
Yeah, you wanna ride in the 6, you wanna dine in the 6. But when I lean for the kiss, you said I'll probably send you some pics.
And I'm also going to be using the same highlighter on my face, on my cheeks here.
Hell no, I want that cruel love.
The last thing is your lipstick.
Waiting too long. Hell no, I want that cruel love. Body on my, losing all my innocence, yeah, body on my, grinding on my innocence, yeah, body on my, losing all my innocence, yeah, body on my.
So this is the finished look. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye!